Come back, Katie, Kevin, Benjamin, Brady, and the boys from Alabama. Know you're looking for
Morning, cooks.
Morning.
What's for breakfast?
We're cutting up potatoes for hash right now.
Hey, Bart's got this small cook stove here. Alright, with the stove, we finally got that going. We had, just weren't familiar with it. We tried to open the ash pan up here to get some air going through, but opening this gives a nice little draw, so we'll have a hot pad in no time. So what's the strategy with the eggs in the stove versus over the fire?
Well, we could do it over the fire, but honestly, the franken pan's taking up all space. So
Thanks, Bard, for the refill.
hash, so eggs.
To your own taste.
Yep. Eggs, potatoes, onions, bacon, salt and pepper. Got some strawberries and gingerbread from last night. And then bread and
Buttermilk.
Come back, Katie, get your best dress on, the Bama boys.